everyone. My name is Mirjam van Houten. Welcome in my studio. I live in a village which is called Zwaag, and it's in the northern part of Holland. In this part of Holland a lot of people speak a minority language which is called Frisian language. I write books in our language, which is also my mother tongue, and I also illustrate children's books. This is my studio. This is where I work, where I draw and write. One of the books I made is this. In Frisian it's called Bij Beppe uit van Hoes. It's about a small girl who stays at her grandma's. At first she enjoys it very much, but the later it gets, she gets homesick, but luckily her grandma knows a solution. In my illustrations I particularly like drawing tiny details, so I like it when you see an illustration and you see it the next time, you notice small things you hadn't seen before. So I hope that I achieved that in this book. I'm delighted to know that this book has been translated in your language, in the Catalan language, and I hope you enjoy it. Bye!